pakulo. Pagkain at lugar palaging bago. Reposio! Sama-sama lagi para na sumama.
Now baby, come on. Don't claim that love you never let me forget. I should have known. You know I gotta let it go. And you know
Pasabog ka, girl. 24.5.
I love the color of your swimsuit and the charisma of your face. Thank you. 25 for me.
Your performance deserves a 25.
girl, there's a reason why you're number one. You really set the tone. 25.
Miss Brianna, you're glowing. Literally glowing. 25. Mama, 25!
Wow! What an appeal! 25.
Wow, 25 for me.
Girl, lumabas talaga ang iyong ganda. 25.
Overflowing goddess, 25.
Special edition in the AI couldn't copy. I'm leaving cruising with it in the Venice hot tea. No, I'm not thinking about no races, no, they miss me. I got the whole world spinning like it's tipsy. The boss, take it to the course. Yeah, don't dance, don't like it. That's what I'm obsessed with.
Abox 24.
What a confidence. Parang pang Victoria's Secret, 25.
Your performance deserves a 23.
What do you like, Kenny? 24.
Spectacular performance, 24.
Thank you so much.
Wala akong bakit. Wala akong bakit. Wala akong bakit.
Balat sa balat, walang foundation.
Wala akong bakit.
Tama.
Wala akong bakit.
Wala akong bakit 25.
Definitely merong confident, 25.
Ito ang performance, perfect, 25.
Girl, wala akong bakit, 25.
And that's a 25. Okay, judges.
Books 24.5.
Sparkly, 25.
You deserve a 24.
Golden, 24.
You're shining through, 24.5.
Everything and every piece can be so very sweet.
you ready? Let's do it now!
Boom, 23.
Smooth Walk, 24.7.
I'm giving you 24.
24 for me.
Sparkling, 24.5.
Dahil tuwang-tuwa si Asher, 25.
Ang init mo, girl, 25.
Manika, 25.
Girl, pasabog ka, 25.
What a smooth execution, 25.
Cause I got plenty T-shirt niya at pants ay black Tas pink na panty Binaba ko sa cafe Tapos siya ay nilamig Yumakap siya sa akin habang siya'y kinikilig Di niya rin matigilan na init ko na lang Napapakalma na at napapaumol siya Sabi niya, elevate pa, ipa-on mo pa Bilisan mo pa, sige, sige, sige pa Palay ka man. Bakit? Kasi gusto mong binabayo kita. Chicharo ka ba? Bakit? Kasi ang ingay mo pag kinakain ka. Parang merengbi yung kanyang katawan.
Okay, judges.
Boom, 24.5.
Very seductive, 25.
Wow, it's a 25 for me.
Lazy Red, 24.
Gorgeous, 25.
Okay, judges. Makinis, mabango, 25.
I love the confidence, 24.5.
Tata, wow, 25.
Bongga, 24.5.
Spectacular, 24.5.
Put your hand on my
I
24.5. Thank you.
Girl, pahiram ng swimsuit.
25!
Westlake, 25.
Perfect. 25!
Girl, mabango, maputi-maki. 25.
Oh la la, 25!
I am my own special creation. So come take a look, give me the hook or the ovation. It's my world that I want to have a little pride in. My world, and it's not a place I have to hide in. Life's not worth a damn till you can say I am what I
may gusto nila. Sa bawat nilalang ay may bulan, may titig at may liwanag. Madilim ang iyong paligid, aking gawin walang landas. Ano ang kulay ng mundo sa'yo'y pinagkaitan? Huwag mabahala ka, kaibigan, isipin lang kamang ganyan. Isang bulan sa kamunduan, ligtas ka sa kasalanan. Dinalanan mo sa tunay na mundo. Marami sa amin bubuhay ng tulad mo. Di makita, di marinig, pinsay na buhay. Patungo sa hinaan na buhay na marami sa amin nabubuhay ng tulad mo.
Beloved is 24.5.
Very unique actually, and there's an impact for, messages to everyone. So it's 24.5 for me. Thank you.
Your talent is very meaningful, so I'll give you 24.5.
It's a heartfelt talent. And thank you for expressing your voice. That's 24.5 for me as well.
It's the call of action, that's why it's a 24.5.
Okay, thank you.
Bago mo po simulan ang aking talento, gusto ko lamang pong tanungin ang lahat. Buhay pa ba kayo? Mabuti naman. Sa buhay ko, hindi pa. Tiklay na yan! Music Maestro!
Nagsimula sa patikim-tikim, pinilit kong gustuhin. Isa'y nagsimulang lumalim, kaya ngayon ang hirap tanggalin. Nabilin-bilin lang ng lola, huwag nang uminom ng serbesa. Ito'y
Thank you.
Judges, candidate number 3, laro ka. 24.
Oh my God.
I don't know what to say. 23.
I'll give you 24.
23.
23.
show legitimate talent currently. Okay, judges. Okay, that is really a legit talent, so it's 24.5.
What an exceptional. 25.
Pinagandaan talaga, so it's a 25 for me.
25.
Thank you.
What an angelic voice, 25.
Alright, thank you, Lauren.
I hope that you will like it because this is also for me and to people of Calzada Pinas. Music, please.
Ashamed of all the scars. Run away, you say. No one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us. Sharp words wanna cut you down. I'm gonna send you back, gonna drown in the night.
Let me borrow your ears for this moment and let me inculcate to you the story why we transgender are keep on joining beauty pageant. Ladies and gentlemen, I am now 36 years old. I started here 18 years old. It's 18 years now. I am not afraid ang lulutas nito. Magpasalamat tayo sa Diyos. Ladies and gentlemen, I may not be the best among the rest, but I firmly believe that once I start my legacy in Calzada, I will end my legacy in Calzada with flying colors and with wrestling all throughout my life. Thank you.
Okay, I really love your talent, and all I can say is you are really an icon in dance pageantry. And you know, pagdating sa talent, it's always you. So it's 25.
Your skill and expressions is very good. Thank you, 25.
I think that yung talent mo, yung story mo, and it's very genuine, so it's 25 for me.
You know what? You gave us talent. At the same time, you showed us an inspirational story. Everything that you went through is all inspirational. You've actually gotten inspired. You started really from nothing, and now you dress everyone beauty queens. I really hope you can dress me someday. And for me, that's not just a talent, but also an inspiration for everyone here, especially the little kids here. So 25 for me.
Your talent actually is very genuine, very mothering, so it's a 25 for me.
Thank you so
Musika, maestro! Automatic na yan!
talent. Thank you.
Okay, judges.
I love it, so it's 25.
I love the synchronize of your move of your body sa beat, and then it's really good. 25 for me.
Ang ganda ng talent niya sa came prepared. And naalala namin si Mariman, ni Marian, so we'll give you 25.
Girl, you're such a complete package. 25.
You came to win. 25.
Alright, thank you so much. Our candidate number 8 is Summer with Jane Corpo.
Talento ng iba-ibang kandidata. Ngayon pong gabi, marahil nakakita at nakatunglas po kayo ng iba't ibang uri at klase ng pagsayaw, iba't ibang uri at klase ng pagkanta. Ngayon pong gabi, ipapakita ko po ang aking sariling talento. Kaya ako, music maestro please. Nangiti ng inspirasyon sa maraming tao. Ladies and gentlemen, panel board of judges, kung sino man po ang karapat-dapat sa best in talent, ibigay niyo po sa kanila. Ngunit ngayon pong gabi, simple lamang po ang aking inilikha. Siya po ang pinupuntahan natin tuwing linggo para magbigay ng hindi para sa atin, magbigay ng inspirasyon at saya. Yun po ay si Jollibee. Ladies and gentlemen, maraming magagaling sumayaw, maraming magagaling kumanta, ngunit ngayon pong gabi, sana ho, nagustuhan niyo po ang walang kuwenta kong talento. Thank you so much.
Okay, judges. Still, natawa ako, it's 23.
Thank you po.
Oh my God, Sophia! Can't believe it. Si Jollibee. 24.
Thank you so much.
And sobrang funny, so it's 23 for me.
Thank you.
I love the authenticity. 23 for me.
Thank you, ma'am.
Love the NST 23.
Thank you po.
Alright, thank you so much.
Sa ang aking narinig, minsan na naginig, aking mansay maaamin. Sa hingin, pag-ibig ang hatid, ang musika'y patid sa bawat puso at isip. Ikaw at ako, tayo ay Pilipino, tayo ay Pilipino, isang bansa, ba't di magkaisa? Isang dugo, isang
Ladies and gentlemen, my talent may be simple for you, but my only message of my talent, nowadays we are being divided by colors because of politicians. But always remember, as Filipino,
I love the simplicity, so it's 23.5.
23.5.
It's 23 for me.
I love how you connected your talent with the message that you sent earlier. And it's a heartfelt one, so it's a 24 for me.
You are very authentic. It's a 24 for me.
Alright, thank you to our candidate number 10, Ms. Lian Marie Luna. So,
For very young audiences, parental guidance is advised.
Elsa? Do you wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door. It's like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you wanna build a snowman? Someone's lying on the mountain, not a footman to be seen. I came with my isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door.
Alright, judges.
Laro ka, girl. It's very entertaining, so it's 25.
I love the transitions, I love the energy, and I enjoy it. 25.
I really love na effortless ka magpatawa and sobrang natural lang, kaya it's 25 for me.
You know what, girl? Listen first. So you know what, girl? For people who can make everyone funny, it's not just a talent for me. It's a skill that I'm very happy that you guys are sharing with everyone. So for me, it's a 25.
Grabe, Majinera. 25 for me.
Alright, sa inyong lahat, nakapagpatawa, nakapagpaiyak. Ngunit para sa akin, bilang isang guro, patuloy ko pong ipapakita ang talentong ito dahil pangako ko to sa isang estudyanteng yumao na parte ng aking asignatura nung ako'y nagtuturo way back 2024. So, pangako ko sa kanya na kahit walang
judges. I love it, so it's 25.
I love the way you use all the corner of the stage, and then all the props that you have is representing of our companies. Thank you very much, 25.
I really like na na-maximize yung mga props. One by that, so it's 25 for me.
Sa bawat kanto, may bagong pakulo. Pagkain at lugar palaging bago. Repo,
I love how
sama-sama lagi.
performance.
Tara
It's
na,
24.
sumama sa aming kwento.
Alright, thank you so much.